Hi guys, welcome to my video channel. I am setting up this 37-inch Corebrook aluminum wicker fire pit as it's starting to get cooler. Obviously spending more time outside and enjoying the fire pit and doing s'mores with the family will be one of the things that will be happening this fall and winter. So this was a pretty good fire pit for the price that I got it for, and I'm just going to go assemble it. I've unpacked it already, the sides, it's circular in shape, and then I've got the top, which is still in the box, and I'll just follow the instructions in the manual and set it up and take you guys along for the ride. Thank you. Alright, so I have unboxed the key components, which is what's going to be the base. These are going to be the towers that hold these wicker sides together, and this is going to go on the bottom. And then on top, once I make this circular contraption on the top, we're going to put the base, the tabletop, where the fire glass is going to go where the fire's going to burn out of. So I'm going to start setting all this up. Pretty self-explanatory. You've got the tools that come with it. You don't need anything special other than a drill, and the screws are all in place. So now it's just a matter of putting these on each side. So I'm going to stand them up each on one side, and that one's going to go over there, and the other one on the floor is going to go over there. So let's see if we can get this built up. This is going to go here. Got 2 screws, and those are going to go there. I'm going to do that for GG and DD, both designed the same way. All right, D, and G are all screwed on. Next step is to get the door panel and have D and G, the ones that I showed you earlier, the door posters, go on the sides. I already have D already screwed on to the side using these bolts, and now I'm gonna put G is gonna go on this side of this door pack. Step after we have the door and the brackets attached rather, is to put the gas fixture. So this is going to go on the bottom. I'm going to fix it next to G and H, and then which is the door that opens as well. So all right, so we're one step closer. We've got the door panel attached to 2 of the brackets, D and G, and then we've got the gas fixture in place. Not everything is tightened right at this moment. Got everything loose until I feel comfortable everything is in its right place. All right, next step now is to attach the other side panels. I'm going to attach them to the main bracket, the main panel that we've been working on, and then I'm going to place this other bracket here to keep it in place. All right, so it's coming together pretty good. Got all the panels together. Now the main thing is to put some brackets on the side of these towers, and then it should be ready for the top. Alright, so we're gonna have these brackets go here, screw them, and they are all going to go on those 3 poles. Bracket number 1, 2, 3, and then after that we should be ready to put the top. All right, pretty much assembled. Now it's just a matter of putting the tabletop So I'm going to put the tabletop on top of this now that the brackets are in place, and then we can put the bolts on, tighten it, and you should be all set. There it is, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Set up, tabletop is screwed on, and all we have to do is put a gas tank in there and connect it, and then test it out. But everything is in place. Alright guys, so this is the gas tank we're going to use. Pretty self-explanatory. You got your inlet there where it's going to get connected to, and you got the valves to control what's open and what's closed. And this is my fireplace. Obviously where I am in most part of the country, it's getting a lot cooler. So this is the top of the fireplace. I got my rocks in there that came with the fireplace. And obviously we've got the valves there showing where the gas is going to come from. And then down here is where I will be putting my gas tank. And there's the connector for the gas tank. I'll simply connect it to that, close that, and then from there I can control the open and close gas tank. And then there's another knob here. It's a little dark to see, but I'll light it up a little bit, and you kind of see how this knob is used to control whether the gas is on or off. Okay, so there it is. I'm gonna get my gas tank in there. We'll be all set. Gas tank is connected to the valve. Now I'm gonna put the gas tank under the fireplace. All right, gas tank is connected. This is the knob that I was talking about. Basically, when I turn it, that's going to allow the gas to come out. Once I turn on the knob on the gas tank, obviously to release. This is the lighter. You press that to light it up. I need to change the battery on that. For some reason the battery is not working. I need to replace that, but you would essentially use that as the lighter. You would use this to turn it on after you turn on the valve on the gas, and then basically you light up your fireplace right there. All right, lighting it up now. So I'm gonna turn that knob. Alright guys, got it lit up. I used the help of a lighter because my lighters that comes with the fireplace doesn't have a battery. I need to replace the battery. But the same knob that you use to release the gas is the same knob that you use to control how big of a fire you get. So I can reduce that fire if I want, or bring it up a little, and so on and so forth. So pretty good fireplace with the money. I'll attach the link with where I purchased it from, and I hope you guys enjoy.